Hello guys, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So on the occasion of 24th birthday of mine, I thought of sharing a special video with you guys, a special learning video. So let us roll back the clock. Let us go back to 6 years down the line, and that is 16th of July 2015, the day when I turned 18 years old. Yeah, it was a very important and a very crucial day in my life because मेरे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के रिजल्ट आने वाले थे, द CA एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के रिजल्ट. एंड एक्चुअली आई वॉज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट यस आई एम गोइंग टू क्लियर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. बट जब रिजल्ट्स आए, फॉर अ शॉक टू मी, आई फेल्ड, आई डिडंट क्लियर. एंड इट वाज नॉट ओनली जस्ट द फेलियर, but it was a margin failure. Like out of 200 I was only able to score 67, where I was very confident that ये तो clear हो ही जाएगा. In fact it was the start of the fall. Like for instance till 10th I was getting 90%, 11th में तो okay I didn't study so the percentage went down, 12th में it went down, it was 81%. I was already fuming. So the first thing which came into my mind when I saw the result of not clearing the entrance exam of CA, like छोड़ नहीं करना, because obviously I took it on my ego. I was not humble enough because I was only 18. I was learning things. The first thing, the initial emotion came into my mind was to give up, to drop this. But then I gave myself some time and I thought that there might be some reason that when you were in 7th standard you were able to identify that you need to do a sleep. It is very rare that you get an opportunity or a mindset where you are able to set goals that okay, after doing 12th you are going to do this. I was lucky enough because of some supernatural universal forces I got that opportunity. So I was like कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. So I took some time and then I took the decision of again continuing. And that is the reason, इसलिए बहुत important हो जाता है जब भी अपन कोई situation face करते हैं ना, वो अपने favor में नहीं गई हो, that is not the time where you take a decision, a long term decision. You need to give yourself time. वो emotional flow में जब होगे ना, वो emotional rush of blood होगा, तब decision मत लो. Because either तुम बहुत ज़्यादा frustrated होगे, either तुम बहुत ज़्यादा sad होगे, that is not the time to take decision. जब तुम्हें लगे yes now your mind is calm, that is the time where you take the decisions. And that is what the big learning which I want you to take out of this. And today, then I gave the exams, I cleared, I did this IPCC thing and articleship. Today 6 years down the line, I am in CA finals. Tomorrow I have my direct tax examination. So the point here is, it is the hustle, it is the patience, it is, you need to understand that great things take time. And the universe wants to check how dedicated, how gritty you are. If you ask me today, what was the relevance of those failures? It gave me the character. I don't think मैं ये सोच भी सकता था कि मेरे जैसा बंदा जो किसी के चिल्लाने पे रो देता था, किसी के स्ट्रेंजर के चिल्लाने पे रो देता था, वो फाइट कर भी सकता था, वो अपने आंखों से देख भी सकता था उसके मौत को जाते हुए और उसके बाद भी लड़ सकता था, वो हार्ट ब्रेक होने के बाद भी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ सकता था. मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता. बट आई थिंक दोस फेलियर्स गिव मी द स्ट्रेंथ टू फाइट द रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस, टू फाइट इन द एडवर्सिटीज. एंड आई थिंक दैट फेलियर गिव मी द कैरेक्टर. सो व्हाट डज एक्चुअली फेलियर गिव्स यू? द कैरेक्टर टू फाइट इन रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस. आई नो व्हाट, द फेलियर इज गोइंग टू मेक योर कैरेक्टर. And it is actually going to be the stepping stone in your success, but only if you take it in the right spirit. For example, whenever you are going through a failure, take it on your chin, be yourself, you be accountable for it. Don't put the blame on yes or wo aisa tha. Everyone is going through something. Take the blame on yourself, improve, go back, take 2 steps behind, but when you jump ahead, when you bounce back, ensure that your bounce back is like a boss. And that is what we need to learn. I know what, failure will give you that character, and that character will, unfortunately you can't see in monetary terms. और इसलिए अपने को लगता है फेल होने के बाद खत्म नहीं, because for the people around us, What is growth? Growth is पैसा बैंक में आया, कल 100 आ रहा था, आज 110 आया तो growth में, वरना growth में. But no, this is not the right definition of the term growth. The growth is how skillfully you develop. Last year और इस year में कितने skills develop किए, कितनी नई चीजें सीखी. For example, if you take me, मैंने CA एंट्रेंस का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया, आई फेल्ड, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में आई क्लियर्ड. आईपीसीसी का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया, आई फेल्ड, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में आई क्लियर्ड. सीए फाइनल का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया, आई फेल्ड. अब नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट का रिजल्ट जब आएगा तब पता चलेगा. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड इज द फेलियर गिव्स यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, एंड यू ऑलवेज नीड टू बी अ बेटर पर्सन. फॉर एग्जांपल, आफ्टर फेलियर 1, if you are failing next time, you have to be a better person. And I think the failure is the best thing. Failure makes you understand that you need to be humble. You need to know a lot of things. You need to keep hustling. You need to keep learning. And that is the reason I enjoy failures. अब शायद लोगों के लिए तो सिर्फ ये मटेरियल फेलियर्स है जो सीए में दिख गए या सीएस में दिख गए. बट कभी आओ डेली बेसिस पे कितने फेलियर्स I come across, and that is giving me character. I think मेरे लिए ड्रीम 11 में एक मैच हार जाना भी बहुत बड़ा फेलियर है. It gives me the character, it gives me that strength, mental strength to fight, to come back again, to have that belief. मेरे लिए टर्फ पे मैच हार जाना भी बहुत बड़ा फेलियर है. मेरे लिए अगर मैं डिसाइड करूँ आज को ये नहीं करना, वो करना, या ऐसे नहीं करना, वैसे करना, और मैं अगर वो कर लूँ तो वो भी बहुत बड़ा फेलियर है. बट ये सब इंटेंजिबल्स है, ये सब मेरे लिए बहुत रेलेवेंट है, दुनिया के लिए नहीं होंगे. एंड दिस इज व्हाट गिविंग मी स्ट्रेंथ. I think I might not have grown financially, but I know that there is growth. And मेरा टाइम आएगा, और जब मेरा टाइम आएगा तब I need to pounce on it. And you just need to understand that focus on the process. Focus on the process. That's it. Keep working hard. Keep developing skills. At the end of the day, nothing can outperform knowledge in the long run. Nothing. There is nothing which exists which can outperform knowledge in the long run. So if you are focusing on developing the knowledge, gaining the new skills, you are good to go in life. Take failures in the bestest possible way and ensure that कल से better हो आज यार. Today also I know I need to learn so many things. रोज कुछ ना कुछ सीखना पड़ेगा. तो I'll be able to be at that level to compete with anyone else. And that is the reason. Keep hustling. You have to learn always. And trust me, failures are the best things. And periodic failures आने चाहिए so that तुम्हें पता चले. You need to be humble. अभी तुम्हें बहुत सीखना है. चलो आ जाओ पीछे. फिर से सीखना चालू करो. फिर से पढ़ना चालू करो. That's it. With this, I would like to sign off this video. Hope you like this. Do share your feedback if you enjoy the video. Thank you.